Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di channel Kalista Accessories. Video kali ini saya akan membuat lilies flower. Bagaimana cara membuatnya? Simak terus ya. Bola diameter 8 cm dan kawat bunga nomor 22.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Beri kawat tengah kawat bunga nomor 24.
I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
Bungkus dengan stocking double, kemudian ikat dengan kuat.
We'll choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Siapkan cat akrilik warna kuning, merah, dan coklat. Beri cat akrilik warna coklat di tengah mahkota bunga dengan menggunakan kuas. Kemudian tambah dengan warna kuning, sapukan tipis-tipis. Beri titik-titik di tengah mahkota bunga dengan menggunakan warna merah. Buat sebanyak 6 paks mahkota bunga. Putik bunga lili. Kawat bunga nomor 22, tekuk ujungnya, beri lem, kemudian tempelkan putik dan ikat dengan kuat. Lilitkan stocking supaya lebih kuat dan tidak mudah lepas. Beri lem, kemudian tempelkan satu persatu mahkota bunga dan ikat dengan kuat. Setelah 3 mahkota bunga diikat, lilitkan kain stocking supaya lebih rapi. Tambahkan kawat tangkai. Beri isolatif. Untuk daun memakai pola diameter 5 cm. Beri flower tape warna hijau. Beri lem foak di tangkai bunga, kemudian lilit dengan flower tape warna kuning. Tempelkan daun. Lekuk-lekuk tepi mahkota bunga satu persatu.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Untuk membuat kuncup, siapkan kawat bunga nomor 22 4 buah. Silangkan kawat, kemudian putar dan bentuk di pola diameter 5 cm.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all.
Isi dengan dakron, kemudian bungkus dengan double stocking. Lilit dengan flower tape dan tempelkan daun. Di pangkal dan ujung kuncup beri cat akrilik warna coklat, kemudian lapisi dengan warna kuning tipis-tipis. Saya membuat 3 kuncup dan 3 tangkai bunga. Siapkan vas bunga kaca, kemudian isi dengan batu warna-warni. Masukkan satu persatu kuncup dan bunganya. Tambahkan rumput hias. Tada, bunga lili berwarna kuning sudah jadi. Silahkan berikan komentar, like, serta share konten ini. Bagi yang belum tekan tombol subscribe, silahkan tekan tombol subscribe serta nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya. Oke, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum.